I get pretty lonely at work. I have to entertain myself through various work-related incidents. See, what I'm doing right now is it's pretty naughty. I'm reversing through the warehouse with my forks raised like this, so I cannot see in front of me. I'm about to collide with a cement mixer, but we just raise it a bit more, and we go backwards. We go backwards through here. All the big wigs upstairs are looking at me now. Look, giving me some pretty funny looks. But, you know, fuck them. Then we continue to, can I position this correctly? Very difficult to position the forklift, but at this point I cannot see a thing in front of me. Which yet again is another thing that you should not be doing while you are driving a forklift. It is, my phone has dropped again, but we don't worry about things like that. Then we simply do that. Massively injure ourselves with this heavy oil, which I should not have done. Then we continue onwards to our next journey. My handbrake is on. That would have been several points on your test right there, but we don't worry about things like that. And then we do the weirdest turn possible. Avoid that pallet truck. Go into the charging bay. Handbrake on, out of gear. You get me? The horn is fact. Then we lower the forks like so. Turn off the ignition. We walk around here, and then we I wish I could flip this round, but I don't know how to at this point. So then we do that. Then we lift this up. Then we get this. We put that there. And we get this. We put that there. It's quite hard to do one-handed, and as you can see, that this cable obviously passes regulations. Then we turn this isolation switch on here, and the forklift charger, after 10 minutes of doing that light, it will eventually come on. And then we sit here and we smile, and then we smile some more, and then we check to see if it's fill or not. Plenty of fluids in there. Oh, that one's bones.